Motor vehicle courses at Bowlingback Lane. We've got you covered. Head over to library.bradfordcollege.ac.uk. It's your go-to for all things library. Use your phone to jump straight into resources via the library website. Our library guides are packed with handy links and info to help you out. Look for the Motor Vehicle Guide under Subject Guides. Scroll down to the M section, or get there quicker using the LMN shortcut. Find Motor Vehicle and click it to open up the guide. You'll find who your librarian is and how to get in touch. You can contact them by email or chat with them on Microsoft Teams. Books and other physical resources are available at the David Hockney Building. Use the numbers on the shelves to help you find the right books. You've also got access to loads of online books. E-books work on any device, so you can read wherever you are. Just sign in using your college email address. Use the same password you used to log into your college account. Click Read to open up the e-book and dive in. To read the whole thing, use the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Scroll up or down to move through the pages. Want to go back to the main menu? Tap the menu icon. To browse by page thumbnails, use the thumbnail icon. Scroll through the thumbnails to preview different pages. Click a thumbnail to jump straight to that page. Then scroll to read through the content. Bookmark the Motor Vehicle Guide so you can easily find your ebooks again. Got questions? Reach out to your librarian. They're here to help.